Bosem natraga Cohsem da affiliate tauduna leingak na masak khangba mahaisang ama oinaba apply tawrakpada changdraba yadraba kanglon pumnamak yenglaba matung no objection certificate NOCP duna lakli haina education gi joint secretary Dr. A Chinglen Khomba na fongdorakle wafam singa si UNACO school gi Chairman Club Kidamak Khangatlaba UNACO gi makhada laiba school singi afaba mahiroi sing oktuna Pukning Thogatpagi Thoramda Fongdokibane UNACO College Khongbanda Pangthokiba Thoramadda Sarukyakiba Joint Secretary Chinglen Khombana Teaching Learning Material Hygiene Maintenance Samadi Safety Measures Tage Hauraga Mahisang Adubo Kupna Yengsin Labamatung Laingak na recognize Tauri Bosem Natraga Cohsem the affiliate Taunaba Ming Tagalakpa Mahisang Pumnamak Marilainaba Jadiogi Kuthangda Yengsin Labamatung Education Department Amukhana Cross check tauduna secretariat ta che tharaba matung kanglon mapung faba mahisang khaktamak laukhatli haina fongdokhe nakalamaromda thauramadu sarukyakiba UNACO ge chairman and irabantana afaba khunai afaba mahiroi ama oina bahotna bada mahiroi masa mama mapa oiba sing amadi school na punna hotna minaba changi english singani ahumdage Khongmanda ihan hanba oina lingkhat kiba UNACO school ase ngasidi maitram chanung amadi changangai uchekonda branch hangdoktuna mahai masing ilamda afaba mahiroi kaya puthokpa ngamle chahi khudingi Bosem Cohsem amadi CBSE na lawba exam singda UNACO school gi maikaidagi state asigi amadi CBSE gi topper puthoktuna lakli haina fongdokhe
It's indeed what I want to express today is that it's indeed a long process to obtain this NOC. And no doubt, when it reaches to a table, when we cross-check the school, the UNACO easily got eligibility to get this NOC from the state.
With this, around 15,000 students and almost around 5,000 students passed from us in class 10 and 12. And we have, as of now today, we have 100% pass record in the, say, board, CBSE and the state board exams. This is a great achievement to our students, our parents and our school. And every year, we produce a state topper. Right from the beginning, for the last 10 years, we produce state toppers both in class 10 and the 12 and the board CBSE in the state.